I didn't expect to be so beautiful. The animals, also I thought it would be much harder to see them. And yeah, both parks were beautiful.
What about the safety in the driving sector?
Yeah, he was great. He showed us everything he could. And he drove fast, so it's good.
What about your safety?
Also good.
Good, the safety is good?
Yeah. You drive very fast, but
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Next time you come, when you are full grown up. Huh?
Nice.